It is Tuesday, halfway through November. It's the 15th. Unbelievable. One day closer to my B-Day. All right, my hair's a little better today. It's a little fluffier, although I've been running in and out and we've had misty rain all day. So it's a good, chilly winter day. What I want to show you today. I want to show you, we've had these, but I want to remind you about these. We have created a kit with Lang alpaca socks to create this sock, right? So Lang alpaca sock is expensive, but we decided that we would divide each ball in half and kit it up. So you would get 5 different colors, but only a half a ball of each. It is exquisite yarn. It is squishy, delicious, soft. It is 70% superfine alpaca and 30% nylon, perfect for socks, for warmth, and for working with it. These are the Happy Knitting with Lang. These are the crazy guys, whatever their names are. Dennis Van de Brink and Wim van der Reken, known as the Den Dennis and Mr. Knit Bear in 2019. So these are the 2 guys, and all they do is socks. So you get, in my little plan here, you get the book, which has several patterns in it, several different patterns, but we're supplying you stuff to make these socks in the neon colors, right? So you get the book, and you get these 5 half skeins of yarn. So this is 213 yards in each one. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 1,100 yards of sock yarn. Amazing. We have it priced at $74.99. If you shop for it tonight or tomorrow, you can have it for 20% off. That's the book and the kit for $60. You got it? $60. It's a deal. It is the softest, the loveliest yarn. If you don't feel like making socks, stripe a shawl, make a sweater, make a shawl. Who knows? How happy and squishy is that? Delish. All right. This Friday, we have a gnome night coming up. Chrissy is the gnome queen. She can knock out a gnome in no time, and she has taught the class over and over and over, and it is super successful. I forget how much the class is. I think it's $35. That includes enough material to make 2 smaller gnomes or 1 large gnome. Check these out. Are these guys adorable? She just did this one last when Halloween was around, right? In November. How cute is he? This is curly goat. This is real goat, the way it comes off the goat. That's what alpaca looks like. This little guy. So you are going to learn how to make a gnome. This is a little bit bigger one with his hearts on his hat. So fun. And last but not least, this guy. Love this guy with the pumpkin and the spider. So clever. Chrissy's, she's cool. She's got it made. You will have so much fun. So I think it's $35, and you will get, you do not have to, but you can buy the kit. We will have supplies, the sponge and the needles to use that night. You can buy the kit if you choose to go home and you are excited and you want to keep going with it. But you'll get enough fleece to make 2 smalls or 1 big. How fun is that? There's room in the class. Call us. Sign up. You'll have so much fun. Friday night, 5:30. Perfect. All right. Take me up on my deal. 20% off. $60. What? Awesome. All right. I will see you tomorrow.